Hi students, application of matrices and determinants. We are going to see homogeneous system of linear equations. Homogeneous system of linear equation means three equations. The matrices value, B matrices value equal to 0 means this one is a homogeneous system of linear equations. By Rauchi-Capelli's theorem already we have seen in exercise 1.6, if the rank of A by 0 in 1.6 A by B, here A by 0 equal to 3, the system has unique solution and it is a trivial solution. Trivial solution means unique solution. Okay, the only solution is the trivial solution, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. That means no need to write the equation and find the value. Directly we can write the solution, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Trivial solution means the solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. And second case, the rank of A equal to the rank of A by 0 equal to 2 or 1, that is less than 3. The system has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means infinitely many solution. Two cases only is there. Now one note, important note, any system of homogeneous linear equations is always consistent. Homogeneous equation is always consistent. That means no inconsistent. Understand or not? And exercise 1.7, solve the following system of homogeneous equation. Three equation given. Now write the augmented matrix. 3, 2, 7, 0. 4 minus 3 minus 2, 0. Next 5, 9, 23, 0. Augmented matrix. And using elementary transformation method, simplify. See that one. Here we want 0. Here also we want to make 0. Here also we want to make 0. That means R2 implies 3 R2 minus 4 R1. Similarly, R3 implies 3 R3 5 R1. See that one? 3 R2 minus 4 R1. 3 R3 minus 5 R1. Okay, see that one. Now 3 R2. R2 multiplied by 3 and R1 multiplied by 4. R1 multiplied by 4, subtract, we get 0 minus 17 minus 34 equal to 0. Right. Next 3 R3 minus 5 R1. Now R3 multiplied by 3. R3 multiplied by 3. R1 multiplied by 5. And subtract, we get 0, 17, 34, 0. 0, 17, 34, 0. Next we want to make this place equal to 0. Now see that one, same value. Now here minus 17 plus 17, add this two value, we get 0. R3 implies R3 plus R2. R1 no change, R2 also no change. Now add these two values, 0, 0, 0, 0. See that one. Here minus 17 common. Minus 17 divided by minus 17, 1, 2, 0. Okay, now we get one echelon form of the matrix, that is a triangular form of the matrix. Very very important, keep in your mind. Okay, triangular form of the matrix. See that one, row of A equal to 2, row of A equal to 2, row of A by B also 2, 2 non-zero rows, row of A by B also 2, row of A equal to row of A by 0 equal to 2, less than 3. Less than 3 means the system is consistent and has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution, that is a infinitely many solution. Now write the equation, 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0, y plus 2z equal to 0. Now take z equal to t. Z equal to t, substitute in this equation. Y plus 2t equal to 0, y equal to minus 2t. Z equal to 2, z equal to t, y equal to minus 2t, substitute in this equation. 3x plus 2 into minus 2t plus 7 into t equal to 0. 3x minus 4t plus 7t equal to 0. 3x plus 3t equal to 0. Now plus 3t go to that side minus 3t, 3 directly cancel, x equal to minus t. Therefore, the solution is x equal to minus t, y equal to minus 2t, z equal to t. So, very important, t belongs to real number, that is r. T belongs to r. Now, second equation, 2x plus 3y minus cz equal to 0. Second sum, 3 equations given. Now, write augmented matrix, that is 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0. Okay. Now, here 1 is there, then change to R2, R1 interchange. R1, R2 interchange. Okay. Now, we want to make this place equal to 0, this place equal to 0. Then R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Okay. Now, first write R2. R2. Here R1 multiplied by 2. R1 multiplied by 2. Subtract, we get 0, 5, 3, 0. Next R3. Right. R1 multiplied by 3. Subtract, we get 0, 4, 9, 0. See that one? Here we want to make 0. Okay, we want to find echelon form. Then here also we want to make 0. Now 0 means 4 multiplied by R2. R2 multiplied by 4 and R3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 5 R3. 5 R3 minus 4 R2. R1 right, R2 right, any change, no change. Okay, and 5 R3. R3 multiplied by 5. Next R2 multiplied by 4. Subtract 0, 0, 33, 0. See that one? Here row of A equal to 3. Row of A by 0 also 3. But row of A by B equal to 3 means the system is consistent and has trivial solution. Trivial solution means unique solution. Unique solution means the solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Directly we can write. Okay. You get the answer. Next sum, condition sum. Determine the values of lambda for which the following system of equations x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0 as unique solution and a non-trivial solution. Unique solution means trivial solution. Augmented matrix, write the augmented matrix. See that one? Here already one is there. Then R2 implies R2 minus 4R1. R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. Now R2, right? R1 multiplied by 4, subtract, we get the answer. See that one? Here 0, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Here lambda minus 12 equal to here 0. Okay. Next R3, right? R1 multiplied by 2, we get the answer. Subtract, we get the answer. Next here we want to make 0, then same value. R3 implies R3 minus R2. R1 no change, R2 no change, R3 minus R2. Directly we can simplify 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Here minus 4, that is minus 4 minus R3 minus R2 means minus value. Minus 4 minus lambda plus 12. What is the value? Minus 4 plus 12, 8 minus lambda. 8 minus lambda. But that value is 8 minus lambda. 0. Now we get echelon form. We get echelon form of the matrix. First condition is unique solution. Unique solution means we want row of A equal to 3, row of A by 0 equal to 3. That means here not equal to 0. 8 minus lambda not equal to 0. Row of A equal to 3, row of A by 0 equal to 3. 3 means the system is consistent and unique solution. The solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Next, a non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means here we want to make 0. 0 means 8 minus lambda equal to 0. 8 minus lambda 0 means go to that side, lambda equal to 8. Rho of A equal to 2, rho of A by 0 equal to 2, but rho of A equal to rho of A by 0 equal to 2 less than 3. Less than 3 means the system is consistent and has non-trivial solution. Okay, in this sum we want to find the solution also. That means x plus y plus 3z equal to 0. Next here minus y, take lambda equal to 8. Here lambda equal to n, substitute the value 8 minus 12. 8 minus 12 means what is the value? Minus 4. But minus y minus 4z equal to 0. Okay, now take z equal to t. Substitute in this one, minus y minus 4t equal to 0, minus y equal to, go to that side, 4t, y equal to minus 4t. Y equal to minus 4t, z equal to t, substitute in this equation. X minus 4t plus 3t equal to 0, x minus t equal to 0, x equal to t. The solution is x equal to t, y equal to minus 4t, z equal to t belongs to R. Okay, next the third sum, by using Gaussian elimination method, balance the chemical reaction equation. Chemical reaction equation one given, C2H6 plus O2 implies H2O plus CO2. Now balance this equation. I will take 4 positive integer x1, x2, x3, x4 to 4 positive integer, x1 multiplied by the first term and x2 multiplied by the second term, x3 multiplied by the third term, x4 multiplied by the fourth term. Okay, now equating this CHO in this equation. See that one, C2 means 2x1, C2 means 2x1, 2 multiplied by x1, 2x1, and where C here is there, here no value means 1 is there, upper 1x4, 1x4 means x4, upper 2x1 equal to x4 implies plus x4 go to that side, minus x4 I will take first equation, and equating H means 6x1, another H here 2x3, but 6x1 equal to 2x3 plus go to that side, minus 2x3 equal to 0, and O here O2 but 2x2 and another O here no value, 1 is there, upper 1x3 here another O 2x4 upper 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. We get 3 equation but 4 unknowns. We get only 3 equation. Write the augmented matrix. See that one, x1 term 2, no x2 term 0, x3 term no 0, x4 term minus 1, here 0, and 6x1 6, x2 0, x3 minus 2, x4 0, and next x1 value 0, x1 no x1 that is 0, x2 2, x3 minus 1, x4 minus 2 equal to 0. We get the augmented matrix. Now here want to make 0, then multiplied by 3, R1 multiplied by 3, upon R2 minus 3R1. Directly we can simplify, R2 6 minus 6 0, 0 minus 0 0, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3 multiplied by plus 3 0. Here already 0 is there, then no change, R3 directly write. Okay, next we want to make this place equal to 0. See that one, R1 or R2 R3 interchange means here 1 0, here 2 0 is there, R2 R3 interchange, we get directly echelon form of the matrix. Okay, directly we get the echelon form of the matrix. Okay, then rho of A equal to 3, rho of A by 0 also 3, rho of A equal to rho of A by 0 equal to 3, but here 4 unknowns, that means less than 4, less than 4, but the system is consistent and has non-trivial solution, write the equation 2x1 minus x4 equal to 0. Here 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. Next 2x3 minus 3x4 equal to 0. Now take x4 equal to t. x4 equal to t, substitute in this equation 2x3 minus 3t equal to 0. 2x3 equal to minus 3t, go to that side, plus 3t. x3 equal to 3t by 2. x3 equal to 3t by 2, x4 equal to t, substitute in this equation. Okay, but 2x2 x3 minus 3t by 2, x4t minus 2t equal to 0. Now taking LCM minus 3t multiply minus 4t by 2, value minus 7t by 2, minus 7t by 2, go to that side, plus 7t by 2, here divided by 2, already 1 2 is there, 4, upper 7t by 4, x2 equal to 7t by 4. Next in this equation x4 equal to t, substitute x4 equal to t, x1 into x1 equal to t, x1 equal to t by 2. Now x1 x2 x3 x4 are positive integer, here fractions, then multiplied by 4, then here 2, here 4, here 2, multiplied by 4 means we get positive integer, that is a fraction change to integer. Then I will take x4 equal to t equal to 4, x1 equal to t by 2, but t by 2 means t equal to 4, substitute 4 by 2, cancel 2, we get the integer. Next x2 7t by 4, t equal to 4, substitute, get 7, integer. Next x3 3t by 2 multiplied by 4, t equal to 4, substitute, cancel, we get 6, x4 equal to 4. We get x1, x2, x3, x4 value in integers. Now the balanced equation is given equation here. Okay, balanced equation is now here multiplied by x1, x1 means 2c2h6, x2 7O2 implies x3 6H2O plus x4 4CO2. We get the answer. Thank you, students.